Yo, it's a blizzard, y'all. Look at this, man. It's a blizzard. We in Minneapolis, Minnesota, man. It's a blizzard. Should have stayed my black ass in Atlanta. Event canceled and everything, man. Y'all see this? Are y'all seeing this? Are y'all seeing this? This is crazy. A blizzard. Y'all think I'm playing, huh? This is not fake snow. It's real. You from Minnesota? Man, this is crazy. I'm trying to get something to eat. Y'all think something gonna be open? Yo, this is crazy, man. I don't even know if I'm gonna be coming back home on Sunday. I might be snowed in here for a while. Told y'all, man, it's crazy. Look at this blizzard, yo. Come here, we still lit. Big Minneapolis. What part you in? Cause I can't see it being lit. We the only car on the road. Me and my guy right here. Me and my guy. Come on, man. Y'all should have told me. I told y'all I was coming out here. Why y'all didn't tell me this was gonna happen? Y'all supposed to be my friends, man. What's up? Y'all supposed to be my tour guide. How y'all didn't let me know this was happening? Damn. You ain't got nothing to eat? You put that out, Mark? Yeah. You ain't gonna give me nothing to eat? You live here? Man, look at this, man. I did check the weather, but y'all know how y'all see the bulletin and talking about it's going. I'm used to this motherfucker saying it's going to snow in Atlanta and in North Carolina, and it never snows. Yeah, right. So if I see that, yo, I ain't going to follow that, man. So in Minneapolis, when they say it's going to snow, it snow every time? Y'all telling me it snow every time? This is complete bull. Y'all knew what it was and didn't tell me. Y'all wanted me to come get snowed in here. Now I ain't got nobody to cuddle with or nothing. I'm single out here in Minneapolis with all this snow on the road, and I'm going to be in the bed with a cold. I'm in Minneapolis. What you mean? Y'all keep saying the same question. Dang, man. If it's not snowing where you're at, share this live stream. All right? If it's not snowing where you're at, share this live stream so people can see the snow. Everybody wants to see the snow. But I'm gonna have to call for some help, man. We in a Mercedes, man. This ain't no 4-wheel drive. Yeah, North Carolina, I'm used to it not snowing. They call for snow and it never snowed. Right. They be like, calling for snow tomorrow, I be like, man, we ain't gonna get no snow. This is a blizzard, man. Right now, we just trying to find some food. Uh-oh, there go
Olive Garden.
Olive Garden, man. Is they open? If Olive Garden is open, nah, I think you gotta go up. I think turn up there.
I was just getting in the lane.
Yeah, we're gonna get some Olive Garden if it's open, y'all. Y'all said Michigan is bipolar. We sliding a little bit. Man, this is ridiculous. Come on, man. I hope they open. There's a lot of little stuff in here, though, like Five Guys and all that up in there, too. Y'all pray for me, man. Keep me in your prayers.
Right. I don't know.
Oh, shit.
Slide. That's why I ain't going there.
Y'all share the live, man. Share the live, share the live, share the live, share the live so we get more people in here.
I know it's stuff over here.
You said go to Applebee's, they still open? Yeah, I went there earlier. I had to go back. What you were saying?
This down here's what I was saying. What we went earlier by Applebee's.
Is this fall?
Huh?
Y'all said it's raining in Boston. What up, Tabitha? What up, Tammy? Yeah, I'm in Minnesota, man. We've been getting a lot of rain in Cali. Grab doubles and doubles of food just in case. Right. Right about that. The hotel I'm staying in, it ain't got a stove in it, man. You in Minneapolis? You say you told me when I was at the airport. Yeah, you told me, but I ain't believe that I told you, man. People be saying it's gonna snow all the time where I'm from, and it don't snow. So y'all made me a believer in Minneapolis. This gonna be my story. I'm gonna be like, yo, they actually said it was gonna snow, and it snowed. Shit,
Hard.
big time. I should have knew though, cause it was snow still on the side of the roads.
Yeah, right.
So they let me know it snowed sometime last week too. Where's the light in here?
Probably they got Burger King, Arby's.
Burger King, Arby's.
Applebee's still over there too.
Yeah.
I mean, it's still across the street, so you can't keep the eyes open. Oh, I think nigga, I knew he was gonna open it.
Yo, this is crazy, right?
You gonna go in?
Yeah, I probably would say,
Yeah,
I guess it's Burger King. Because we go to Applebee's, we got to sit down, and it's like,
yeah.
shit, it's just still snoring like a motherfucker. Yeah. I have to do Burger King, man. Say Tesla not good in the snow. I'm not in my Tesla. I'm out of town.
Hold on for a second.
Let me get that.
Hold on for a second. All right.
Number one with cheese, no pickles.
Let me get a number one with cheese, no pickle.
Damn, man, this is crazy, y'all.
I can't hear it. What's that? You want small, medium, or large?
Large.
Large.
This is crazy, man.
What kind of drink?
Lemonade.
Lemonade, please.
Man, I can't believe this, man.
Yeah, y'all still got the apple pie?
Hershey pie.
Yeah, put a Hershey pie on there. Actually make it 2 orders. Let me get a Hershey pie.
Oh, Hershey pie?
Let me get a whole nother order.
There you go, sir.
Yep. Let me get 1 Hershey pie and an order of chicken fries. That's it.
Nah, I don't like pickles on my stuff.
Fries or spicy chicken fries?
Spicy.
Spicy?
Yes.
Any sauce?
Let me get the
Hey,
bar
did you want these rung in separately or the same total?
separately.
Okay, hold on.
Separate bags.
First one's going to be $12.74.
Okay.
The second one, it was spicy chicken fries.
Yep. And
What kind of sauce?
let me get barbecue.
Barbecue, and then you want a Hershey pie with that?
Correct.
What else, hon?
That'd be it.
That's it? Yours is going to be $6.94.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
For sure. Got what you get. All that. Cause this is what I do. I got.
Yo, man, this is crazy, man. He said it's pretty, but it's too much. Man, it's way too much, man.
What is it?
The snow. Next window, please.
Turn that heat.
Event canceled, y'all. Snow. All of y'all keep saying I'm in y'all state, man. Y'all not right here, man. Stop. Y'all not right here, man. I'll be out acting like y'all somewhere with somebody.
Niggas enjoy you.
Order you a strawberry shake. All right, I got you. Cause she got a strawberry shake. Oh, that's the machine down. Machine down. You know, y'all know y'all believe that. The machine is down.
I might do that. Switch that apple pie for the shake.
That ain't no apple pie. It's a Hershey pie.
Yeah.
They don't have apple pies there. I ain't never had apple pie at damn Burger King.
Yeah, they have.
Not at Burger King.
Yes, they have.
Ask them when the last time they had an apple pie. See what they say.
Ask them when the last time, or have they ever had one?
Yeah, ask them have they ever had one. Have y'all ever seen apple pies at Burger King? Keep it 100. My boy tweaking. My boy tweaking. Hershey pie. That's all. I've always remembered the Hershey pie. Ask them. Nah, ask them have they ever had an apple pie over here.
You want ketchup at all?
You want ketchup?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Boy, that damn head, boy. Boy, that. That motherfucking shit be hurt, don't it? That be hurt though, don't it?
What's that?
When you hit your hand like that.
I ain't hit my head. Okay.
Yeah, you did when you was reaching out that damn window. You hit your hand up top. I saw it.
Thank you.
Y'all got cookies?
You got
Y'all
cookies?
have any cookies?
What?
You have cookies?
Chocolate chip.
Can I get some?
You want 2 or how many?
Yeah, 2.
Give them 5. Make that 5.
5 cookies?
I'm so sorry. You said 2?
How many can you get? How many?
They're 75 cents each.
They get
So it'd
4
be
of
about
them. Get 4.
$1.70 something if you want to.
Get 4 of them.
You want 4? 21, guys.
Didn't know you ate at Burger King. I don't normally eat at Burger King, but I ain't
We
got no
really
other
got no
options. I ain't got no options, man. Y'all know I eat healthy, but shit. Brother gotta eat something. Y'all already be saying I'm skinny. If I don't eat nothing, my ribs gonna be showing tomorrow.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, it's a blizzard, Charlotte. Oh, damn. Can't see. Say, where we at? Somebody tell them where we at, man. I ain't gonna keep telling y'all where I'm at.
Said that shit like 10 times.
Must be people just coming in, new people or something. It's storming in Chicago? Yeah, I'm in Minneapolis, Minnesota. It's definitely slippery, Monique. This is not fake snow, y'all. You know how y'all is on the internet, everything is a skit. I'll be like, this is a skit, it ain't real snow. Have y'all ever been to Taco John's? Got you, Miss Barksdale. Damn, it's a tornado, Christina, in Rockford. Y'all okay? So we better get somewhere and sit down. We here as soon as we get out. As soon as we get back.
All right.
Shit, we don't do that.
Slid.
Cause you all in the damn.
They slid. I'm back now.
Can you sit back behind? Oh, yeah. Said, get out them streets. I am. Get out these snowy streets. Get back on the big phone. Who's driving? My boy, my guy, my brother. See, that's who's driving. Yeah, I chill out with that Tupac stuff, man. I don't look like Tupac. almost to my destination, but I'm hoping that that the snow stops and they clear these roads for tomorrow. Because I want to go to the biggest mall in the world. The biggest mall in the world is here. No, it ain't no snowplow trucks out, not right now. So we might be snowed in when we wake up. Possibility. I hope not, though. Don't speak that.
Right.
Don't speak that. Yep. I love malls. I love clothes. I love shopping. I most definitely love malls. I gotta pin that comment. I gotta pin that comment. That is a fact. If y'all don't know that about me, I love malls. I love shopping. I be spending too much money. Mall of America, yep, that's where we going. If it's not snowing. I hope it's cleaned up tomorrow. Thanks. We definitely focused on the road, man. He's a good driver. He's been driving for a long time. He drove Miss Daisy around. Y'all remember driving Miss Daisy? Y'all remember driving Miss Daisy? That was him. It's 10:36 here. Said the mall don't excite you. It don't excite me, but I like buying clothes. So, I love to shop. Y'all want me to pick y'all something up when I go to the mall, let me know. I'm in there so much spending money. If you need something, I got it. Sharing is caring. Where am I going? Back to my hotel. I'm here till Sunday if I'm not snowed in. You said you want a gold cross necklace? Go get you one.
Man,
Go get you one. How far am I from the hotel? I'm very close. About to pull up now. I'm not gonna put the camera on that though. Not gonna do that. Y'all crazy out here in the snow too, I know. Snow ain't never stopped nothing. Y'all ain't gonna be waiting somewhere to throw no snowball at me. Made you order a burger this late. Man, he driving too fast like that.
Yeah.
All that snow, man.
Like it's slowing down.
You said, why would anybody want a cross? Or want a cross necklace? I don't know, you gotta ask them why they want one. You know? Appreciate all the prayers, y'all. We just pulled up, so we made it. We made it. I feel like I got hydraulics in you, man. How much snow they got, man? I can't even tell you. I don't know, to be honest. I know it's a lot. And it's still coming down. So. Back in there?
Yeah.
He said Tupac would have definitely walked in the snow. God, y'all are stupid. Man. That's way out there. I'm sorry, I don't think Tupac would have walked that far in the snow for no burgers, man.
No.
If he would, it would have been all eyes on him. Can y'all picture that bandana out there with the snow? On that bald head? Y'all crazy. Do I know what I'm wearing on my neck? I do. It's a chain. It's a Jesus piece.
You say do breakfast in the morning, just in case shit be bad.
Step breakers, they have probably gonna be bull here. Load up on that fruit, though.
Yeah, I'm about to get some as I'm going upstairs.
Grab that cup for me.
It's light.
Oh, no. You got the key?
You got the key. You listen. The key.
Yeah, right here. Ah. Yeah, they gonna go. How y'all doing? Why y'all didn't tell me it was gonna snow today? All right, man. She said April Fools.
Right.
If I'm going out this weekend, just let me know so I'll come and see you. It's snowing, man. What are you talking about? What we gonna do? Go skiing? What we gonna do? Go skiing? Well, I'm getting up off here, man. It was good seeing y'all, man. The homie over there, man. Telling y'all run up, man. Y'all can tell he got guns all over here. He look like he'll lay something down. This boy like what's that damn name of that movie? That boy like John Wick. He lay it down, boy. I'm telling you. Hey, I'm out, man. Y'all be easy.